Hey, boss! Wait up, will ya?
Please, boss, if you just come back, we can get everyone to stand up to that Gampachi again.
How long can this, Lucky Kitty gym shorts thing get you down, huh, boss?
I don't want to hear it. I'm going shopping for dinner. One more word out of you two and I'll never go back to school.
But
You're not
it
serious.
can't be.
Hey, boss!
Hey, boss! Boss! Can I go grab some eats too?
This is not Cairo.
Hey, Konsuke, can you feel it?
My ears feel the best when they're touched.
I'm not talking about that, you idiots! Can't you sense the tension? The whole store is just incredibly on edge.
RIIYOOEECHEE, would you get me a block of tofu, please?
Yes, ma'am, right away.
Hey, can I use your microwave?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, what are you afraid of, Ryu? You're paranoid. I don't know what's so strange.
Konsuke, RIIYOOEECHEE!
If I'm killed by a microwave oven, I'm never gonna live it down! Power on!
Konsuke? Konsuke? 100 yen piece? Huh?
I expected you'd do well, Hinako.
Excuse me?
You must be even better than we thought to defeat us, the Emperor High OB squad, so easily. But this is it.
Go, boss! Looks like you're out of ammo, sucker!
RIIYOOEECHEE! RIIYOOEECHEE? RIIYOOEECHEE?
Boss, please, don't worry. About me. I'll be fine. Go back to school.
RIIYOOEECHEE?
Boss,
Hang on, RIIYOOEECHEE. Hang on.
please, boss. Go back to school.